How to delete your Google Pay transaction history. Go to myactivity.google.com. Sign into your Google account. If you're already signed in on your mobile or desktop, it will take you directly to the page. Click on Delete Activity By, and choose how you want the activity to be deleted from options like last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. Select All Time. Then select the activity you want to delete, or choose All. Click Next to preview your activity before deleting. You can review more and then delete. After clicking Delete, all selected transactions will be permanently deleted, and you'll see, Deletion Complete. You can repeat these steps anytime to delete other transactions as needed.